Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation. Government related words. Start. The Prime Minister, while addressing the parliamentary party meeting and also talking to the journalists, has asserted that all possible efforts would be made to ensure the safety of life and property of the people, and that the government would fulfill its obligations for ensuring peace and security in the society. Full stop. For this purpose, he announced that bills against honor killings, vilification and terrorism would be tabled in the National Assembly for providing emergency medical aid. Full stop. Lack of proper and timely emergency medical aid to the injured, results the death of many people every year. Full stop. Due to this, no compassionate person can deny the importance of such a bill. Full stop. Seen in this context, the four bills to be presented by the Prime Minister are of utmost importance, and it is hoped that after their ratification and subsequent passing through the lawmaking stages, it would be possible to make peace and stability in the society more effective and durable. Full stop. The Prime Minister's announcement regarding the presentation of bills in the National Assembly concerning four important social issues is something whose importance and usefulness cannot be denied by anyone. Full stop. The rise in the number of honor killings is a reflection of the feudal mentality that runs deep within the veins of our society. Full stop. Due to this typical mindset, false pride and honor are usually exhibited through the cruelty unleashed on the weak sector of the society. Full stop. A lot of times the reason behind these actions is property grabbing. Full stop. Terrorism is also used for achieving various personal and sectoral objectives. Full stop.